Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So here is the task. What does this sign tell drivers? Number 1. Left turns only are not allowed. Number 2. Right turns are prohibited. Number 3. All turns are prohibited. Go straight only. Number 4. U-turns and right turns are not allowed. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The no turn sign informs drivers that both left and right turns are not allowed at that intersection. Drivers must continue straight through. This is often used to control traffic flow and prevent congestion or confusion. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.